Hello and welcome back to the channel. Time for another cheeky review. Today we're going to be reviewing some chocolate from none other than Mr. Beast from Feastables. Mr. Beast Crunch. Oh. Ones that like all the bits and bobs on the back. Nutritional typical values: 100 grams energy, 244 kilojoules, 582 thals, 39.4 grams of fat, which are 25 grams of saturates. Carbohydrates 48.4 grams, of which sugars 41.3. Protein 7 grams, salt 0.15 grams per serving, half bar, blah 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 blah. Distributed in the UK by Icon Foods Limited for Feastables, blah blah blah. They're based in Lancashire, and apparently it's a product of Peru. Grass-fed milk. Without further ado, let's have a go and see what Feastables chocolate's like. It's strange because American chocolate sort of smells different from what we get here in the UK. Now, Mr. Beast's Feastables, Mr. Beast Bar Crunch, I'll give that a solid 4 out of 5. It's 4 out of 5 for Mr. Beast's Crunch Chocolate Bar. Thanks for watching, and always remember to like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, tell your friends, tell your family, tell that random stranger in the street to subscribe. Till the next time, thanks for watching. Bye.